Hey, what's up Cardano holder? So today I have a very special update for all Cardano holder. Absolutely, you are my viewer, my subscriber. So absolutely I will give you a very good news is every day my brother. So now absolutely you will be also enjoy, I hope my brother. And today absolutely you could see here the chain occurring. First of all, exactly my brother, you could see first of all the chain occurring is going to be positive. So this is a good news my brother for all of you. To the price will be increasing now. Let's see my brother, I have something more special for all of you now, but kindly before I get start this brand video, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Alright my brother, first of all I am going to show you my brother the last 24-hour chart. As you can see here in last 24-hour 0.94% profit. So that's a really great news for all of you. To this time my brother's Cardano is on the trending. My brother, absolutely my prediction is going to be positive now, because a lot of expert my friend says this to upcoming time all crypto market is wake up. So therefore I know my brothers to there is 100% chance to first of all Cardano will moving upward now, and especially XRP, WeChain, my lovely, my favorite cryptocurrencies, absolutely all of my faith is moving upward. So therefore I am so happy, I am very excited to see this. Now my brother, expert says to there is a chance to Cardano will jump my brother 10% profit in every day. So absolutely they will give you a 10% profit in every 24-hour. So it is possible to they will give you my brother before 2022 my brother $3 to $5. This is possible now. All right my brother, so this is our target. I hope they will hit now, but if they will hit my friend, they will get a 10% profit in every day. So this is the average now. I hope my brother in upcoming time they will take a 10% profit. What's your opinion my brothers? Can this is holding time, selling time? My opinion is clearly my brother, I will tell you to please hold it now. I hope in upcoming time for Cardano price will be going double now. So kindly don't miss the chance and take a profit. Absolutely they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching Cardano holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type urgent and updates videos.